Hi, thanks for downloading the AI leverage map. I hope it gives you some good insight. I just wanted to take a few minutes to explain how to use the AI leverage map. This is a companion guide to the map, and I want to go through what each section means, why it matters, and how to actually apply it in your business. Now, as we all know, most people using AI in their business are asking the wrong question. They ask, what can I get it to do? That question just leads to more tools, more prompts, more tabs, and rarely more income. Now, I created the AI leverage map to give you something to really ask better questions with. Does this build me something real? This guide walks through every section of the map in more depth where AI actually creates income. Uh, and I also throw in what you should ignore completely. And then the three question filter that ties it all together. So you'll see in this section where AI creates real income. These are the 6 areas where AI produces work you can actually keep, reuse, and build on. Not just busy work. That disappears the moment you stop. You want to create content at scale. Turn one idea into a week of posts, emails, threads in under an hour. The leverage here isn't that AI writes it for you, it's that one good idea can now be repurposed across every format and channel you use instead of dying after a single post. Email sequences work the same way, creating your email sequences. Uh, Offer clarity. Is your offer truly for those you serve, what you sell, how to say it in minutes? Your audience research, understanding your readers' exact pain faster than any survey could ever do. Instead of guessing what your audience struggles with, you can synthesize patterns across reviews, forums, and conversations in minutes. Then write copy that actually reflects these words. And then it's amazing that you can create sales copies with landing pages, subject lines, call to actions that convert, not just inform, and do this in minutes. AI really shortens this draft and revise cycle. Systems and SOPs, you can document repeatable workflows so your business runs without you. This is a real key thing. If you're running your business in a way that you have to do everything and you have to be there to do everything, you're not running your business. Your business is running you. This is the most overlooked use of AI, turning what's in your head into a written process someone else, like a VA, a teammate, or your future self can follow without you re explaining it every time. Now, what to ignore completely? Spend a little time here because we chase a lot of shiny lights and we don't want you chasing new tools all the time, prompt hacks and tricks, AI agent rabbit holes, platform dependency, automation before you even have an audience. These are real downfalls. So, in essence, I want you to really concentrate on 3 questions. And these are your filters. Every time you use AI, you have to say to yourself, does this build an asset I own? Now, I know you are all savvy enough to know that social media, when you're obtaining leads and various things through social media, they own your assets. You can't have a business where somebody else owns your assets. And I've created over 10,000 subscribers in under a year using this system because I own those assets. I've built trust with those people, and this is something that allows me to put in front of them things that I think work and are working for me. The second question says, does it keep working when you're not? Well, that's real important. See, you want to be able to duplicate yourself and share what's in your head without you having to do every step. This AI can produce results while you're actively doing it. It's not an asset. See, when you're actively doing it, you're the only one producing it. So tasks don't get you off the treadmill. Ask whether this thing will still be producing value a month from now with zero further input from you. Now, does it move closer to a sale? Well, isn't that the whole purpose? I mean, we want to, eventually sell what your product is. And if a tactic doesn't connect, even indirectly, to income, well, that's a hobby, however good it feels to do it. So, 3 yes answers to these blowing your engine. Any no, ignore it with a clear conscience. The whole quiet empire engine is attention, trust, conversion. I hope you'll join us on the next page and explore further what you can do with us using our system to actually run this leverage map. I think you'll find it very helpful. Look forward to seeing you on the other side.